Welcome back to Ibiza, the party capital of Europe. It's our first full day here and we can't wait to show you what's in store. Today's episode is a big one. It's all about how to find clients.
How's the water feel?
Yeah, it's nice and fresh. You coming in? Just done a little bit of an exercise, a bit of a swim, test out the water, literally. Welcome to today's episode. Whew. It is warm. We've got a problem. We've already had a cancellation, which is so frustrating. One of our shoots has been cancelled because the restaurant isn't quite open yet. That's annoying, but we're just gonna have to pull it out of the bag and make it up by trying to find another client. So later today, I will show you that process, how I'm gonna reach out to a few places and see if we can get a last minute shoot. Already looking at the pastries.
I'm not hungry yet, but...
So there is something so exciting about being in foreign supermarkets. Is that what you're about to say?
Yeah, that was literally just
It is, it's so exciting though. That's a nice car.
That's very nice.
Nice. Well, I'm not huge on my manifestations, but I'm putting it out there now, that car. I'm gonna, 2 years time, we're gonna have like a nice lime green Jimny whipping it around some sort of island. Okay, so Google told us this was gonna be like a nice private hidden spot. And it's not. It's not at all.
It's really not.
I hate doing that. I hate flying it over public areas. Like, it's so busy over there. So yeah, didn't really enjoy that. So I just brought it back down. Anyway, got the shot I needed to. So that's good. Right, let's head off. Okay, so I have got stacks of editing to do, which I'm currently making my way through a long list of tasks. But as I was saying to you earlier, we had a cancellation, which means I need to find some work ASAP. So tip number one is improvise. Wherever you are, if you need work, you've got to reach out, you've got to do some research, find out what's going on around you, what businesses, what brands, what events there are, and start messaging. So I'm in Ibiza, a place where there's events on every single day, all the time. DJs, event organisers are always looking for video work. So to make up for the shoot that we lost, I'm going to try and DM some DJs and some event organisers to see if we can get something going. Right, I kid you not, that took about 5 minutes, not even 5 minutes. I've got 2 replies. I got 2 shoots within the space of 5 minutes. Just confirmed over Instagram, 2 replies already with DJs for events tomorrow and Thursday at Ibiza Rocks, which is one of Europe's biggest and most iconic venues. I reached out to them and all I said was, I'm in the area, I'm a videographer, this is what I can do for you and this is how much it's gonna charge, and let me know if you're keen. Surprisingly enough, they both said yes. Simple as, straightforward, DM'd through Instagram. The most formal way of getting in touch with people though is via email, and I'm gonna go through kind of how I do a proper proposal now. Okay, like I said, if you want to get clients, you have to reach out to people. Unfortunately, I hate to say it, but people won't come to you, but people will recommend you if you get on well. So my second tip is to treat every shoot like it's your first one. And what I mean by that is be prepared, be organised, be on time, be talkative, be polite, be creative, bring stuff to the table, you know, you use your initiative. Drunk hooligans behind me. But yeah, use your initiative and treat it really like it's your first time on the job. You want to be out to impress. If they like you, like I said, they will put your name out for you. They will get your name out there, they will spread the word for you so you don't have to. They will share your stories, they will recommend you on posts, they will email their mates, they will tell their friends who, if they need a videographer, to come to you. So now if you're struggling to actually find the clients, let's talk about a proposal. So there's 3 basic things that you need to cover, and that is who you are, what you're going to do, and how much is it going to cost. You need to summarize your business, your ambitions and your visions in a short sentence, as people will want to work with you if they feel that they can connect and you have the same vision as a business. Then you need to go on to your idea. So for example, if I was going to go and research water sports companies in the local area of where I may be, I might decide that a certain company needs to get drone shots and I have a drone. So that would be the first thing I would use as my selling point. You can go on to then say you have the experience, you have the equipment, and you have everything you need in order to provide them with what you feel they need as a business. And then you can come up with a storyline yourself so they don't even have to do that. Remember, people want you to do the work. You're reaching out to them, so you need to provide them exactly what you're doing and how it's going to work. Then you need to go into your price. Or for example, if you do want to get something back for it, so maybe you want to get your travel and your accommodation and expenses covered, or maybe you do want to get some sort of free entry or something for free in return for your content. Remember, price yourself well, value what you're doing as a skill, as a creator, as a business. Don't be going out and doing all this hard work just for a 20 euro entry somewhere, because you are better than that. So you also need to sign off with your details and how they can get in contact with you, so that hopefully you can jump on a Zoom call, or you can jump on a phone call, or even a WhatsApp, and you can go through, you know, the smaller details to confirm and wrap up. Okay, I must add, please don't expect a reply from everyone. It takes a lot of time, a lot of patience, and it does take a lot of research. You might only get one response in every 30 emails that you send out, so you're going to need to send out a fair few. But trust me on this one, the ball will get rolling, and before you know it, you'll have so many clients to get busy with. And also, please remember guys, that I'm only speaking from my personal experiences. This is how I got started, this is what I spent all my nights doing after my 9 to 5, and this is how I am where I am today. And luckily I don't need to do this anymore. I don't need to reach out and get the emails going, because I already have a big enough client base for it to just develop naturally and keep me busy and keep me booked up. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this episode guys. I'm sorry if it's been, again, a little bit broken up throughout the day, as it's been a bit of a mad one today. Tomorrow's gonna be an even madder one, as I've got 3 shoots in a day. Yeah, 3 shoots. I'm gonna show you that from start to finish, and I will see you tomorrow.